Clean label baking is possible, and enzymes are the way to get it done. Health-conscious consumers define clean label products as products containing recognizable natural ingredients. These products are expected to be minimally processed and free of chemical ingredients such as emulsifiers, preservatives, and artificial colors and flavors. Chemical emulsifiers and dough processing aids are generally used in baking to provide dough stabilization, dough strengthening, better dough tolerance and machinability, higher product volume or better gas retention, finer crumb structure and softness, as well as reducing the rate of staling. Common chemical emulsifiers and dough processing solutions include datum, SSL or sodium sterolactylate, DMGs, distilled monoglycerides, potassium bromate, L-cysteine, and ADA or azodicarbonamide. These can be used individually or in combination to achieve both strengthening and softening effects. Bakeries wanting to use clean label emulsifiers can turn to enzyme-based solutions. And as a bonus, reformulating with enzymes may even reduce cost and improve bread quality. Yes, enzymes can be used to replace the functionalities of emulsifiers, as well as dough processing aids. But the choice of enzyme will depend on the substrate available in your formulation and the desired effect in your final product. For example, an amylase can be used to replace mono and diglycerides. The enzyme will interact with damaged starch to slow amylopectin crystallization by breaking down the starch into dextrins and sugars. Lipase can also be used to replace datum. Lipase uses the wheat flour lipids to generate molecules with emulsifying properties, which can interact with the gluten proteins to strengthen the gluten network and improve gas retention. Depending on the bread formulation and the ingredient that needs to be replaced, enzymes can be added in formulations as single enzymes or as enzyme combinations to get additional effects or to create synergies between enzymes. Enzymes can provide similar functions as chemical emulsifiers while still being a natural and clean label ingredient. Optimum enzyme usage is dependent on the amount of naturally available substrate present in the formula, naturally in the flour, or as added functional ingredients. Enzymes do not have required levels of usage. There is no limit as to how much or how many enzymes one can use in their formulation. Chemical ingredient levels are generally regulated and can be tested for in the final product. High levels can be found to lead to harsh penalties and even loss of income or business if found to be out of regulation. Enzymes, however, are denatured during the baking process and cannot be detected in the final finished baked good. Enzymes are a great way to replace chemical emulsifiers and processing aids to produce a clean label product while feeding the world with peace of mind.